Hi guys, I'm Koylee Ocaya and welcome to my YouTube channel. For my first video, I decided to do an easy brown makeup look. If you want to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. So first off, I'm gonna use this Garnier Micellar cleansing water to clean my face, get rid of all the dirt and oil, so that I have a fresh base before I put on my makeup. For primer, we have the No Shine Mattifier by Quick Effects or Quick Fix. I'm gonna put this on my cheeks, my chin, and my T-zone because that's where I'm most oily at. For foundation, we have the Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour full coverage foundation in the shade Natural Beige or 220. I'm gonna use a blending sponge from Real Techniques to blend everything out. And I'm also gonna apply this to my neck for a very seamless look. For concealer, there's this LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. I apply it under my eyes in an inverted triangle. I'm going to apply this also to my T-zone and chin. To blend everything out, I'm going to be using the same sponge I used earlier. And set everything in place with this Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder in the shade Naturally Neutral. I'm gonna bake my face where I placed my concealer on. For my eyebrows, I'll be using this LA Girl Gel Liner in brown. I'm gonna use an angled brush, but I won't go too in-depth on this because I'm gonna make a different video on how I do my eyebrows. But here I'm just showing you quickly how I filled in my brows using this liner from LA Girl. Be using a spoolie to brush everything out. And to clean up the edges, and use the same concealer I used earlier to conceal my under eyes. And just use my fingers to blend everything out and top it off with a clear brow gel from Nichido. Use a big fluffy brush to brush all the excess powder, and then off to contour. We're gonna contour with the LA Girl Contour Kit in light bronzer. I'm gonna focus on the sides of my face, my chin, and my forehead. To deepen everything up, I have this BYS Contour Trio in 02 or Sweet. To set everything in place, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Face HD Matte Press Powder. I forgot the shade, I'm going to place it in the description box below. But for now, our base is done. I'm going to top it off with a Max Fix Plus. For our eyes, we'll be using this Beauty Creations Irresistible palette. We're going to use 5 shades today. I'm using Naked as my base, which is a really light neutral shade. I'm going to put that all over my lid. And as our transition shade, I'm going to use Bare, which is a light brown. I'm going to put that all over my crease. To deepen up the eye area, I'm going to apply this Mixed Emotions on the crease as well, which is a reddish brown kind of shade. You could go deeper or lighter as you want. Here I'm using a different brush to blend everything out, just to give a seamless look. Next, I'm gonna apply Yours, which is a deep brown shade, like an earth tone shade. I'm gonna put that on the outer V only, not as much as I placed the first 2 shades, just to give dimension and to give depth to my eyes. Just take your time blending all that out. We want this as seamless as possible. here I'm using the same brush to buff it all out. Then I decided that I wanted to cancel out that neutral shade, the one we placed on our base, and I'm using the shade Touch Me, which is another soft brown shade. For my eyeliner, I'm using this Pink Panther liquid eyeliner from Miniso. I'm gonna use that to tightline my eyes. Blush, I'm using this BYS Contour Trio in the shade 02 or Sweet. Apply that on my cheeks and on the bridge as well. I'm gonna apply my nose line, that contour from that same palette. I use my finger to do this, and our base is done. Wait, there's the setting spray from 3W Clinique, which is the Aqua Glow Mist. And our highlight, don't forget the highlight. This is the Bretman Rock Highlight, Babe in Paradise. And I'm gonna apply this Vacation shade on the high points of my face using this fan brush, which came along with the palette. So I traded my fan brush for a smaller blending brush, and I applied the Vacation on the brow bone to highlight my brows. Then on the inner corner, I used Bebe Girl to open up my eyes. For mascara, I have this Estee Lauder Sumptious mascara. I'm gonna apply that all over my lashes from top to bottom. My lipstick is M&Co's iconic lipstick in the shade Alex's Love. I really love this shade. Their liquid lipstick comes in 12 shades, so there's a lot to choose from, and I really love this brand. You should go check it out. And we're done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little video. I hope to see you on my next one, so please hit that subscribe button and click that bell to get notifications when I upload a new one. So thank you all so much. Until the next one, bye.